Welcome to Business Bytes. The JSE finished the day up by 0.78% to end on 28,252 points. We spoke to Nick Kunze, head of dealing at BJM, looking at the market.
For me, it all depends on the rhetoric that comes out. What do you read about in the small print? We know it's going to be unchanged, the market's pricing and no change at all. But each sort of month and each sort of time that progresses and moves on, the closer you get to some stage, that interest rates are going to have to start moving upwards, and you can't keep interest rates at zero forever. So I think certainly this time around it'll be dissected by all the traders and investors, and any single hint of withdrawing the stimulus, as you said, quantitative easing changing, perhaps looking at raising interest rates or any sort of wording on inflation, I think will be jumped on pretty quickly.
Nigerian market closed up by 0.4% at 24,475 points. We spoke to Adetola Odukoya, Vice President of Dunlawren Merrifield, to give us a summary of the day's trade.
We do expect, in the medium term, we do expect the market to retain its bullish run. However, in the short term, especially in the week ahead up to next week, we expect profit taking to come into the market because if you observe on Friday, the market closed with about 200 basis points increase. Yesterday was about 99% basis points up. Today it's dropped to about 30% plus basis points up. So this obviously shows that although it's increasing, it's actually increasing at a declining rate. And this also underscores the fact that profit takers are beginning to take profits on earlier positions.
The NSE 20 ended the day up by 0.8% to end on 4,096 points. We spoke to David Tumaini, equity dealer at Africa Investment Bank, looking at what is moving the market.
Today, mainly the market was kept out to the agricultural sector. Out of the top 5 gainers, 3 of them are from the agricultural sector. We had Williamson Tea, we had Kakuzi, and we had Eagles. Actually, Eagles went up a full 10% on a volume of 54,000 shares. Yeah.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.